If you want to record phone calls on a Nothing Phone 3, the first thing that you can do is check if you have a built-in option. In some regions and in some countries, there is a chance that you will find a recorder button in the call menu when you have an ongoing call. So you can tap on more over here in order to try to find the recorder button. However, if you are, for example, from Europe, then most likely you won't have this option. And in that case, in order to record a phone call, you need to actually download a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So to do that, we're gonna go to the Play Store and then we can search for an app. So let's say we're gonna write phone call recorder. There we go. And of course, you can find a bunch of different apps that do the job. So you can try pretty much any of them in order to find out your favorite one. However, in my case, I'm just gonna use this one. I'm gonna see if we can actually install it, because in some cases these apps cannot be installed, but it seems that this one is actually working. So I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. I believe this one is quite easy to set up. You might find some ads in the meantime, like in this case over here. So we need to skip them. And we need to grant some permissions. There we go. We can switch over here to the call recorder and then set as default. And we need to also allow the app to run in the background. So we're gonna press allow. We're gonna also tap on this setting icon in the top left corner in order to check if everything is enabled as it should be. And after that, you should be able to start recording. So if you have a call, then the app should, in theory at least, automatically record. So I'm gonna call myself and answer the call. Let's see if it's gonna work. There we go. And there we go. So if we go to notifications, you might see a notification that the app is recording. If not, then we can go to the notification. But as you can see, there is actually a recording which might have been interrupted because I just opened it. But essentially, this is how it works. In case the app doesn't do the job, there we go. We have the phone call recorder active. We managed to find it. But in case it's not working for you, of course, feel free to try any other app that I mentioned, as I mentioned before. And that's pretty much it. So in this case, if you go back to the app, you should be able to play, to listen to the audio, and so on and so forth. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.